everyone, I'm Judy Jackson. Here I am in my kitchen and I'm doing the third in the series of short videos with the title Take a Gift. The idea, in case you missed the earlier introduction, was that instead of just making something to eat at home, you make a little bit more and then you give some of it away. And when you give it, you give two extra things. One is the recipe, so they'll know how to do it for another time. And the last thing is an ingredient that they might not have. So what I'm doing today is chocolate brownies, and the ingredient you're going to take is a very nice bar of chocolate to go with it. So here it comes. To make the brownies, you need very good dark chocolate. And also laid out here are the ingredients that I'm going to use, but the whole instructions are all there at the end. Now, to melt the chocolate, break it up into small pieces and add a little bit of the oil. Then begin to cook it in the microwave and add the rest of the oil, stopping every 30 seconds to stir it until it is hot and melted. When the chocolate has completely melted into the oil, you're ready to add the next ingredient. Whisk the eggs just to break them up, and then you'll be ready to add the sugar. I'm transferring the chocolate mixture into a larger bowl, and that's because we're about to add more things. Now comes the whisked eggs, and then you're going to add the sugar. A little bit at a time. You can put a bit of the brown and a bit of the white, and then stir it in well. You don't even need a mixer for all this. And then you begin to put in the flour. Now do this gently. You don't want to beat it, you just want to fold it. But before that goes in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now start to put in the flour and fold it. Don't beat it in because you don't want it to be very stiff. So then you're ready to put it in the lined tin. I've got a tin and I've lined it with baking paper. And then I'm just spooning out the mixture and spreading it out onto the tin. Arrange about 16 pecan nuts over the soft mixture and bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes. And then this is what it's going to look like. When you take it out, it'll be firmer at the edges than the middle. So the cocktail stick will come out dry at the sides but slightly moist on the inside. Now leave it to cool and cut it into squares. They really should be eaten straight away, almost warm, but if you're going to give them away, then just wrap them up and take them round as soon as you can. Now here's the original recipe that this video is based on.